There's something about doing this that people don't really see. The cameras, the edits, the thumbnails. That's the easy part. It's everything around it that's hard, I find. Organising it. Trying to get people to do something which is a collaboration which will help to grow their channel. This is what's strange. Trying to grow something like this, a separate channel to my own, an idea, it takes time. A lot of it, and not just time out here, but time away from everything else. I have to, it's like organising a team. And what's interesting is there's some people on the team that really want to go do it, and then there's some people that really don't want to do it. And I've learned a lot. I've learned an awful lot from making these one-night survival films. I've learned a lot. Not just the physical part of staying out, but about people, about myself, about comfort, routine. Yeah, but I've learned a lot about people. I didn't think I was going to learn so much from just a night out in the woods. That's, you could call it pressure. There is a lot of pressure because it defining schedules and whatever, and then nobody knows that you're doing this stuff in the background. You can't get dramatic about it. And there's nothing in me that wants to get dramatic about it or think about things in a particular way to make it dramatic. It is what it is. I hate that sentence, but this is what it is. It's a survival thing. It gets a lot of help from the outside, and I really appreciate the help that it gets from the outside. People forwarding on the videos and stuff like that to their friends. People talking about it with their friend to say, hey, will you do this with me? Yeah, the pressure of this is, I know I say I'll wait until April 2nd, but the pressure's there. I'm sitting here waiting for videos to be made. I'm sitting here waiting for people to say, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do One Night Survival. And it doesn't come. And I'm on my own. There's nobody else to say, let's do this. Wait, it'll be okay. There's nobody there. Because the people who are there, they're usually too wrecked and pissed off with it as well. So that's why One Night Survival becomes a 1 day a year thing that I do. It becomes that one day. Because it is hard to organize. And people feel like they're being hounded to do something. Is it worth it? How far do I push it? How much do you give up to build something for nothing? And this is One Night Survival. It's not about getting through the cold or the dark or the silence. It's about facing that question. These questions. Outside in the woods, you're left with no noise. You just have the thoughts, and maybe that's the real challenge. Not surviving the night, but figuring out why or what you're doing it for. What's it for? Anyway, I'll leave you with that.